they're gonna open it, then they're gonna be doing a cool pose, and then
Hi, welcome to Gina. G-Day.
Yeah. He is. Okay. So, yeah.
Gina rocks!
Thank you. So, behind the camera is our good friend, Emily. Hi, I'm Emily. Okay, then. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Air horn.
Where did you get that?
Your house?
Hello!
Why were you in my house?
I was hanging out with your little sister, Sophie.
Okay. Yep. Okay. I'll take that now. Stop! Just extra work. Have fun with that!
Well,
Anyway!
okay, fine.
You just press this button, right? Shit.
Help!
Stop! Good morning, Simi Valley! What time is it? It's not morning, is it?
It's 5 a.m.
It's 5:22.
Okay. Good night, Simi Valley!
Stop it!
Okay.
Irritating.
Anywho,
Well,
doggy. Anywho, hi.
I don't know what to say at this point.
I do. Cookies are my long lost cousin. Yeah, I think so. Cookies. You want a sugar cookie? You want some sugar cookie? That's a good one. You're not watching this, are you? Thanks.
I'm watching it right now. It's been a 2-minute, 56-second video so far.
What has been? What was that?
Whoa,
longest video?
something happened.
I don't know. Is it still rolling?
Technical difficulties.
Shut your face!
Okay.
Turn on the camera!
Stop, Sophia.
Claps for Emily. Anyway, so I'm going to take the
No.
camera now. Please,
No.
give it to me.
I know.
Let me see it for a second, please.
Emily!
Smart.
I fell.
No, please. Can I just see it for a second?
It could be
Let's share.
G&E.
Okay, so hi, Emily.
Hi.
How are you?
Hello.
I'm good. How is life? Okay, we are now about to play 10 seconds, T-minus 10 seconds with Emily.
Yay!
Ready? It means you can say whatever the heck you want, and you have to say it within 10 seconds. Okay?
I don't know what to say.
And go.
Hot chocolate monkey tacos in my stomach are rumbling, and they're having a party with nachos and cheese.
Time.
Time's up.
Woo!
What have we learned from this experience? Are you asking me? Yeah, you. I don't learn. We have just learned that this show is very random. Thank you for watching. Peace.
Random!
Hobie G. Sophie, stop it. Hobie G. Willikers. Did you turn it off? I think that's a no. Angela, turn it off.
Don't scream at me.
No, I don't.